SponsorBurst is a SaaS, cloud-based platform that connects brands and advertisers with sports and entertainment venues around the world. We use artificial intelligence and we're disrupting the sponsorship industry. So we're essentially at the intersection of AI and advertising. We also have very large esports initiatives. Esports is hot. What we're doing with esports is we're driving it into high schools and the collegiate market. We're looking at high school and collegiate venues across the country and offering their naming rights, scoreboard advertising, and all kinds of premier sponsorships. And our SponsorBurst platform gives advertisers an easy way to be able to leverage technology to be able to search those venues and create advertising campaigns. Advertising has been used in these venues across the country. It's hard to negotiate these deals on your own. So our technology helps facilitate that and makes it very, very easy to do. Artificial intelligence and the predictive analysis gives advertisers the ability to create campaigns, and we learn their preferences of what types of demographics that they wish to target. This will work at any country, anywhere around the world. So if you're a soccer team in the UK, if you're a hockey team up here in Canada, or if you're a high school sports venue down in the United States, we'll be able to help you. We're here at Collision 2019 here in Toronto to be able to expand our brand and meet connections and network with other folks that we can partner with, as well as investors that might want to partner with us as well.